Today we are going to talk about easiest ways to get paid $12.50 every 5 minutes, and that's by just typing. Guys, I'm not kidding, right? Well, let's start off first talking about Google Translate, which is the tool today we're going to use all of the work. What's cool about this is you're actually going to get paid more if you translate words into different languages, and I'll show you why that is. But first, what's good about this is you can play the audio, and Google will start typing whatever it hears. It will also translate it into a different language. So you have an English transcription and then a Spanish translation as well. This is super cool and valuable because you could get paid twice, simply for typing what you hear in English and then translating it into Spanish. So I'm going to show you exactly few platforms that will pay you to utilize Google Translate. Guys, before continue the video, I would like to say that if you watch the video until the end, you will get more valuable opportunities. And don't forget subscribe to the channel. So guys, our first website is called Scribblecom. This website is not the highest paying website, but later I will show you one that pays the most. So be sure to stick around. This is a very good website to get started with. As you can see here, this is a freelance transcription site. You can work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automated transcripts to save you 60% of the typing effort. So it's very simple. They're going to give you automated transcript, and all you have to do is correct it based on the given audio. They also have practice file too if you want to. See, if you use Google Translate, it will type and correct it for you. And then you can submit the corrected transcription back. If you do it in a different language, you can earn even more money. Some people on this platform are earning around $800 per month working at 8 hours, which is pretty decent, guys, for just letting an audio play in Google Translate do all of the work for you. If you want to work more hours, then you can earn more money. They've been in business since 2008 and have paid out over $4 million. So it's a ledge website, guys. You all have to do in here, click on this sign up and start earning, and then fill out this form. Your name, your last name, your email, your working phone number, create a strong password and confirm it. Click here and agree their term and condition, then sign up. It's done and get start earn money. Now moving on to our next website is called Transcribeme.com, where you could get paid $60 to $70 per audio hour if you're on their special teams. So special teams obviously know multiple languages, but that's fine. Google Translate will do the work for you guys. They even offer advancement opportunities for their special teams that include medical and specialty styles, which pay even higher rates. But even if not, you also can earn $15 to $22 per audio hour just starting. Now all you have to do is click on Start Freelancing and fill out this quick application. Set up your account, and then you can start your transcription jobs. Now the next website on our list is Rev.com. This is one of the highest paying sites. As you can see here, you'll get paid weekly for all audio files transcribed and completed. The prior week you'll find hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from on the site. Now all you need to do is click on this sign up button. Now to be a REV transcriptionist and set up your account. They are paying $1.10 per audio minute. But if you go down here and you know a foreign language, they will pay you $3 per audio minute. So that's $15 every 5 minutes, of course, with the help of Google Translate. This is a famous site. They're on the penny hoarder and have been featured in Forbes, the Huffington Post, and Business Insider. The best part of transcription jobs with this site is the flexibility. You can work as much or as little as you'd like from wherever you please. Our final website on our list is GotRanscript.com. They've been around for quite a while. They'll pay you 60 cents per audio minute, and the top monthly earning on this particular site is around $1,200, which is pretty good moreover. You can work as much or as little as you want whenever you want on the site, and you can freely choose which projects to work on. The best part is they also allow you to work with different languages, which will get you paid even more. When it comes to payment, you receive weekly payouts every Friday for all work completed. This is an easy site to get started with. You all have to do and just click on the sign up button and then fill this form, or you can log with your Google account or Facebook account. That's it. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $3 per watching YouTube short video, which is one of the best another way to make money online. See you soon.